Something really huge is quietly taking shape around Gaza, not on the battlefield but on the world's most powerful negotiating tables. And now a new player has stepped up into the spotlight. That is Turkey. Not with tanks, not with missiles, but with a proposal that could shape the entire future of Gaza and Israel. So here's what's happening. In closed door global talks, there is serious discussion about setting up an international stabilization force for Gaza. A global force approved by the UN, backed by the world powers. And Turkey just made it very clear that this particular decision could change every single thing. What is this force supposed to do? So, on paper, it sounds very simple: separate both sides, stop the chaos, create stability at the border. But in reality, the single decision is one of the most dangerous, sensitive, and explosive questions in global politics, because the moment foreign troops they step into Gaza, everything changes. Be it balance of power, be it rules of engagement, be it the future of the entire region. Turkey's message is loud and clear. Be realistic, be careful, and be smart, because there are big unanswered questions, right? Who will send troops? Who will lead them? Who will control them? Where exactly will they be positioned? And the biggest and most explosive question of all, will Israel even agree to it? Because Israel wants complete disarmament inside Gaza. Other countries say that no, first separate, first stabilize, first stop the bloodshed. Two completely different versions. One tiny strip of land, and Turkey is now sitting right in the middle of that storm. This is no longer just Israel-Palestine issue, ladies and gentlemen, it's a global chessboard. Washington, Doha, Ankara, Tel Aviv, the United Nations, everybody is watching. Everybody is calculating and everybody is preparing for the next move.